Maggie. She's kind of retarded. She brought home chicken, but she already ate it, so I'm going to throw that off. Well, on her. I'm going to teach you how to make a doggy biscuit. The dog's crave this. Like my dog will, yeah, Maggie. I'm just going to put this on there. You don't have to, blah, blah, blah. But what I want to do today, so you can see it, I'll put it like that. See how you can see. I wonder if you can see that. Okay, I'm going to just tell you the instructions, but you see it, so let's hand set it alone. But you have, if it's kind of, they would or wouldn't matter. First you have to put some peanut butter there. This dark veil, you might want to see it on a little too, so that it's kind of on there more. I'll go away, let's put inside you there. And then I'll just put it back in my movie. I'm too lazy to put on this and that and all that stuff. Yeah, my friends, that's my friends. So, these are the lovely biscuits. Sometimes it don't matter if you put a biscuit in there, but it can't be in a can. It has to be like from, I'm in Texas, so I go Underwood barbecue. I use that the holiday and all that. So, you know, this is her second one today. But they dogs crave it. You can give them that kind, even if it's from like a dairy. But I don't suggest anything over a day or two. Yeah. So it's not fun and it's not healthy for them. Now I'm gonna get the hot dog too. Just like the bottom of it, and if you're allowed to get a whole hot dog for your dog. And put in the kind of like center there. And then now, you ready to see it? Just like that. Can't see the peanut butter because it's covered up. But see on the side there, kind of that's it. You can see peanut butter like I said, but see it right there. This is a 2-minute video, so look how my dog is going to get it. Now I'll get them out of the bone with a big opening. Well, she's gonna take this somewhere. After that, Meg, she's cute. I know. Can I shout out to my friends so you can thank me? Sorry. My friends take me in the leaves today, so I might look like a kind of maniac, you know, but. So, I hope you like this video. I hope you learn how to make your dog a snack. And